In this video, we are going to see some of the abbreviation of the networks. I'm going to share the screen. Yeah, here network abbreviations are available. IP means Internet Protocol, MAC, Media Access Control, TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, UDP, User Datagram Protocol, DNS, Domain Name System, DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, ARP, Address Resolution Protocol, ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, FTP, File Transfer Protocol, AP, Access Point, Wi-Fi, Wireless Fidelity, Web Wired Equivalent Privacy, VPN, Virtual Private Network. So now most of them know about the abbreviation.